Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this gorgeous Nautique Super Air G23. It's got a little bit of metal flake there in the bow. Otherwise, this gorgeous white boat. Very nice. As you can see, the back here has SeaDek flooring. In the back here is a nice cooler. Has a drain in it. You also have a JL audio sound controller here in the rear. If you're putting your boards on and you want to change the song, you can easily do so. Got the center walk-through with the full SeaDek flooring on the inside. Up to the bow of the boat, you can see the JL audio speakers as well as the cup holders. Got phone chargers up here. Removable cushions, so you don't have to step on the upholstery there in the very front. Little triangle piece, as well as the piece here we're looking at can flip over to make a nice big cushion in the front. Armrests, you get the whole thing here. Coming back inside the floor here, we have a cooler. It's also got a drain at the bottom of there, that way if ice or water does get down there, it'll drain out quickly. Here in the back of the G23, you can see the massive JL audio sound system. Again, cup holders in every location with lighted rings around it that you can change the colors to. But it's very nice to have as many cup holders and chargers as there is. Here under the passenger seat, we can flip that seat up so you can face the back and watch the show. Under here we have our massive amount of storage area, as well as our 12-inch JL audio subwoofer. In the glove box, it's a massive storage area for your phones, wallets, keys, everything. And the JL audio sound system, which is completely Bluetooth capable, as well as all your phone chargers as well. Here at the helm, you have a nice seat with a flip-up bolster option. And again, fully touchscreen, which you fill the ballast, change the music, do everything from. You got a heat vent here in the G23, which can be pulled out to warm people up when it's colder. This is a 16-passenger boat. Again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out here and see this G23 or any of our other G series that we have in stock.